then, here we have 10 of these floating display cases from Temu. I'll put the price down in the box at the bottom right hand corner, and the links. Put these over. I'm going to show you how they work. Just here you've got to push in the middle and they open up, and you can see you've got two cellophane or rubberized silicone sheath things. So what I'm going to do is I've got a nice Faustina Roman coin there. Just plop it in where you want to. Close it. There you go. So it's in there. Close a look. You can see it's floating and it's not moving. Just plop it into the stand. There you go. Lights reflection on there, sorry. There you go. So yeah, really chuffed with these. Really good for your metal detecting finds. Not just coins, you can also put artifacts in there as well now. Got a little toy cannon in there. A little Roman brooch. Okay, right, so all the links are down there in the box. You can scan my QR code or QR code. And if you go to the App Store, download the app, put in my code, you get extra discount, which is AF0421486. We'll just do one more, show you how quick and easy it is. These are reusable, so if you want to swap your items inside, you can just open and close them and take them out. So there we go. I'm going to drop this coin in there. Silver token, just like that. Pop them in. Job done. I'll take some photos for you. Right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.